Alright, here we go. We have a walk around of a Deere 670G LC hydraulic excavator. This is a beast of a machine. It's freaking huge. As a comparison, that right there is a 160 and this is a 200. So it's a little bit bigger. Pretty sweet. It's got extra lights up there. That's awesome. Double grouser pads on it. Got your walkway and your ladder going up to get to your engine stuff to do maintenance on. Back here, this is just a giant counterweight back here. And you can see pretty well under here. I can almost walk under this machine. Tracks, turntable. You have a huge clearance underneath it. That's awesome. Okay, and another comparison. This is a 470 compared to the 670. Good bit of difference. Here's going to be radiators for engine and probably hydraulics. And then up here we have a pretty good sized bucket. I'm not sure the yardage of it, but probably got to be at least 6 feet wide maybe. So it's a very good sized bucket. No quick connect or anything on this bucket or on this machine. And just a quick little view up on your cab. Pretty basic, just like any other Deere cab. Here's a better shot of it. Yeah, so there you go. Alright, this machine has an interim tier 4 Isuzu 6WG1 engine, giving it 463 horsepower and 957 cubic inches of displacement. This machine can put out 258 gallons per minute in hydraulic flow, and the ground clearance in this machine, as I mentioned earlier, is 34 inches, and the standard track pad is 36 inches wide. The top travel speed for this machine is 3.2 miles per hour, and the gradability of this machine is 35 degrees, meaning you can operate the machine on up to a 35-degree angle without damaging the actual machine. The max reach is 44 feet 8 inches, and the max digging depth is 30 feet. The machine's lift capacity over the front is 42,100 pounds at a 25-foot reach with a bucket on the machine, and over the side at 25 feet with the bucket is 29,700 pounds. The tail swing radius of this machine is 12 feet 10 inches, and the swing speed is 9.1 RPM. The fuel tank capacity is 238 gallons, and the machine's operating weight is 158,045 pounds. Thanks for watching and have a great day.